Boccherini Quintet. The Boccherini Quintet Quintetto Boccherini was a string quintet founded in Rome in 1949 when two of its original members, Arturo Bonucci cello and Pina Carmirelli violin, discovered and bought, in Paris, a complete collection of the first edition of Luigi Boccherini's 141 string quintets, and set about to promote this long-neglected music. Since then, they performed all over Italy and Europe, and in many parts of the world, including 13 tours of North America. At the death of the two founders, the violist Luigi Sagrati became the main organizer of the quintet's recording and performing activities until the mid-90s, when he had to quit public performances because of old age. The group toured southern Africa in 1959 as Quintetto Boccherini, and were again in demand in 1960 as Quartetto Carmirelli di Roma. The quintet has recorded many LP in Italy and abroad, mainly of music by Luigi Boccherini, but also string quintets by Antonio Bazzini, Franz Schubert, and Luigi Cherubini. Their records have been published by various recording houses like His Master's Voice, Etc. Italia, Ensayo, EMI Angel Records. A two-record album played by Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella, and entirely dedicated to Boccherini's quintets, and issued by the Spanish recording house Ensayo in 1976. Won the Grand Prix du Disque of l'Académie Charles Cros. Some of the quintet's recordings have been reissued on CD in the UK by Testament Records at the beginning of the 21st century. Members. Many musicians played in the quintet over the years. In addition to the two aforementioned founders, the original quintetto included Dino Asciala, who alternated with Carmirelli as first violin, Renzo Sabatini viola, and Nerio Brunelli cello. Among the most notable of the several other players one recalls Guido Mazzato, Montserrat Cervera, Arrigo Pelixia, Marco Fiorini, and Claudio Buccarella violins, Marco Scano first cello, Piero Stella second cello, and Luigi Sagrati viola. Violins: Pina Carmirelli Varzi, 23 January 1914 Capena, 26 February 1993. Dino Asciala Rome, 6 June 1920 Siena, 9 September 1994. Alberto Poltronieri Milan, 9 November 1892 Milan, 13 January 1983. Arrigo Pelixia Viareggio, 20 February 1912 Rome, 19 July 1987. Guido Mazzato. Violas, Liz. Renzo Sabatini. Luigi Sagrati Rome, 10 November 1921 Rome, 20 March 2008. Cellos. Arturo Bonucci S.R. Rome, 19 April 1894 Rome, 11 January 1964. Nerio Brunelli. Discography. Works by Antonio Bazzini. Quintet in A major, Italia Fon etc. ITL 70046 1978 Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano, Stella. Works by Luigi Boccherini. Largo from Quintet in A Op. 10 and 1 HMV ALP 1385, 1956, and Angel Records 45007, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. From the Quintet in A major, Op. 10 and 5, Allegretto, La Voce del Padrone, Calp 10140, and Angel Records 45006 1956, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintet in F Op. 11 and 3 HMV 1957, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished as CD by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in E Op. 11 and 5 HMV ALP 1385, and La Voz del Padrone Calc 10134 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished as CD by Testament Records, SBT 1243 in 2002. Quintet in D, Op. 11 and 4. Some sources indicate this as Op. 11 and 6 El Auxiliera, HMV, ALP 1385, and Angel Records 45008 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished as CD by Testament Records, SBT 1243 in 2002. Largo Op. 12 and 1 La Voz del Padrone, Calc 10134 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Andante sostenuto, from Quintet in E major, Op. 13 and 2 Angel Records 45011, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintetto in F major, Op. 13 and 3 HMV, ALP 1332, Angel Records 45009, and La Voz del Padrone, Calc 10130, 1956, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintet in E major, Op. 13 and 5, including the famous Minuto, La Voz del Padrone, Calc 10134, and Angel Records 45007, 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, recorded again by Ensayo, ENY 706, 1975 Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella. Quintet in C minor, Op. 18 and 1 Dina, HMV ALP 1332, Angel Records 45009, and by La Voz del Padrone, Calc 10130, 1957, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished in CD by Testament Records, SBT 1244 2002. Quintet in D minor, Op. 18, 5, Angel Records 45011, 1954, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished in CD by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in F major, Op. 20 and 3, Ensayo, Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella, Ensayo, ENY 706, 1975. Quintet in D minor, Op. 25 and 1, HMV, ALP 1406, 1956, and Angel Records 45010. Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished as CD by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in C, Op. 25 and 3, HMV, ALP 1406, and Angel Records 45010, 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished as CD by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in a major, Op. 28, Angel Records 45006, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintet in A, Op. 28, and 2 Della Disgrazia, HMV 1956, and Angel Records 45011, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in C minor, Op. 29 and 1, Angel Records 45008, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sabatini, Bonucci, Brunelli, and PDU 1976. Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella. Quintet in C minor, Op. 29 and 2 HMV 1954 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sabatini, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in A Op. 29 and 4 HMV 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. From the Quintet Op. 29 and 6 Ballo Tedesco La Voce del Padrone, Calc 10140, and Angel Records, 45,006 1956, and Largo Cantabile Op. 29 and 6 Angel Records, 45,010, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintetino Op. 30 and 6 Musica Nocturna del Strade de Madrid, translated as the Night Music of the Streets of Madrid, Ensayo ENY 707 1975, Quintet in E-flat, Op. 31 and 1 HMV 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in D major Op. 37 and 2 Ensayo ENY 707 1975, Quintet in D Op. 40 and 2 Del Fandango, HMV 1954, and Angel Records, 45,011, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Also recorded in 1976 with Ensayo, Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella, ENY 707, 1975. Quintet in A major, Op. 40 and 4 HMV, ALP 1385, Angel Records 45,007 1956, also La Voce del Padrone, Calc 10,134, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Grave in D minor Op. 41, Angel Records 45,007 and La Voce del Padrone, Calc 10,134 1956, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli. Quintet in F Op. 41 and 2 HMV ALP 1361, Angel Records 45,006, and in Italy Calc 10,140 1956, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records SBT 1245 in 2002. Recorded again as LP by PDU 1976, Cervera, Buccarella, Sagrati, Scano and Stella. Quintet in C, Op. 42 and 2 HMV 1956 Pelixia, Mazzato, Sagrati, Bonucci, Brunelli, republished by Testament Records in 2002. Quintet in D major, Op. 50 and 2 in the style of the Spanish Seguidilla, Angel Records, 45,011, and Del Fandango, Ensayo ENY 707 1975. Quintet in G major, Op. 60 and 5, HMV 1954, Pelixia, Mazzato, Sabatini, Bonucci, Brunelli, HMV 1956, and Angel Records 45,008, republished as CD by Testament Records in 2002. Works by Luigi Cherubini. String Quintet revised by Pietro Spada, and Souvenir pour son cher Bailot String Quartet, LP issued by Italia Fon etc., ITL 70008 1977. Works by Franz Schubert. String Quintet in C major, Op. 163, D 956, HMV ALP 1373, La Voce del Padrone Calc 10179 2/1957. Arrigo Pelixia, Guido Mazzato, Luigi Sagrati, Nerio Brunelli, and Arturo Bonucci second cello. Notes